Imagine finishing a book every 3 days without giving up Netflix, gym, or your social life. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. Science has cracked the code on reading faster and better, and today I'm giving you the exact steps you need to hit 100 books a year. Let's go. Step 1. Kill the slow reading habit, RSVP method. First things first, your brain is working against you. You probably read like most people, one word at a time, and that little voice in your head is pronouncing every single word. That's slowing you down big time. Here's where RSVP, rapid serial visual presentation, comes in. Stanford researchers found that when you remove subvocalization, that inner voice, you process words much faster. Instead of reading word by word, you flash words at high speed. Apps like Spritz and Accelerate train your brain to do this. You can go from 200 words per minute to 600 plus. No joke. Even Tim Ferriss, the author of The 4-Hour Workweek, swears by it. Give it a shot. Step 2. Read in chunks and train your peripheral vision. Ever notice how your eyes move a lot when you read? That's wasted time. Instead of reading one word at a time, try reading 3 to 5 words per glance. It's called chunking, and it's how elite speed readers do it. The legendary Evelyn Wood, who trained U.S. presidents, discovered that widening your vision span reduces reading time drastically. Here's how to train yourself. Use your finger or a pen to guide your eyes across the page faster than your comfort zone. Instead of stopping at every word, train your eyes to pick up groups of words. Over time, your brain will adapt, and boom, you'll read way faster without losing comprehension. Step 3. The 10-page rule, consistency over speed. Okay, so let's be real. Speed reading is cool, but if you don't have a reading habit, none of this matters. Here's the golden rule. Read at least 10 pages in the morning and 10 pages at night. That's 20 pages a day. Doesn't sound like much, right? But check this out. 20 pages a day equals 7,300 pages a year. That's easily 100 books. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, talks about how small daily actions create massive results over time. So don't wait for the perfect time. Just build a system where reading fits into your routine. All right, you've got the blueprint. Kill subvocalization with RSVP, train your eyes to read in chunks, stick to the 10-page rule, use audiobooks smartly, and take notes like a pro. If you start today, in a year, you'll be the person everyone turns to for book recommendations. Your knowledge, mindset, and perspective will be on another level. So, are you in? Hit that start reading button on your Kindle, grab a paperback, or open that app. Your 100-book journey starts now.